Have you ever felt your car still runs, but something just feels off? Maybe the acceleration is weaker, the engine isn't as smooth, or fuel economy is dropping without any clear reason. Most drivers ignore it first, because the car is still moving. But what if the real problem is coming from a tiny part most people forget about? Your spark plugs. They may be small, but they control one of the most important jobs in your engine, creating the spark that makes power. And when they start to wear out, your engine doesn't fail instantly. It slowly gets worse over time. That's where problems begin. Hey guys, welcome back to Car Care Fix, the channel where we make car problems simple, fixes easy, and maintenance stress-free. In this video, I'll show you 7 clear signs of bad spark plugs, so you can catch the issue early before it turns into expensive engine damage. Let's get started. Sign number 1, engine misfire. This is one of the clearest warning signs. A misfire happens when the spark is weak or doesn't happen at the right time. That means the fuel in that cylinder doesn't burn properly. You might feel a sudden jerk, engine hesitation, or even strong vibrations. Sometimes it feels like the engine is skipping a beat, and this is serious. Unburned fuel can enter the exhaust system and damage your catalytic converter, an expensive repair. So if your engine is misfiring, spark plugs should be one of the first things you check. Sign number 2, rough idle. If your car feels shaky while sitting still, pay attention. A healthy engine should idle smoothly. But worn spark plugs cause uneven combustion, which leads to vibration. You might notice RPM going up and down, engine feeling unstable, or the car almost stalling. If it's worse when you're stopped in traffic or at a red light, spark plugs are a strong suspect. Sign number 3, slow acceleration. You press the gas, but the car doesn't respond like it used to. There's a delay. Power feels weak. This happens because your engine isn't producing full power. A weak spark means incomplete combustion, and that means less performance. Yes, fuel or air issues can also cause this, but if it happens along with rough idle or misfires, spark plugs move to the top of the list. Sign number 4, poor fuel economy. If you're visiting the gas station more often, your spark plugs could be the reason. When spark plugs work properly, fuel burns efficiently. When they wear out, fuel is wasted. At first, the drop in mileage might be small, but over time, it becomes noticeable. So if your fuel economy suddenly gets worse without any major changes in driving, it's time to check those plugs. Sign number 5, hard starting. Does your car take longer to start? Maybe it cranks longer than usual, or takes multiple attempts to fire up. That's often a weak spark problem. Your engine needs a strong spark to start combustion. If the spark isn't strong enough, the engine struggles. This is even worse in cold weather, and it puts extra strain on your battery and starter. Sign number 6, knocking or unusual engine sounds. Listen closely to your engine. If you hear knocking, pinging, or irregular sounds, it could be due to poor combustion. When spark plugs don't fire correctly, fuel can ignite unevenly, creating abnormal pressure inside the cylinders. While knocking can have several causes, worn spark plugs are one of the simplest things to check first. Sign number 7, check engine light. Finally, the most obvious warning. A failing spark plug can trigger your check engine light. Modern cars monitor engine performance and misfires. If something isn't right, the system alerts you. But remember, the check engine light doesn't tell you the exact problem, only that something is wrong. So if the light appears along with rough idle, misfires, or poor acceleration, spark plugs are a strong possibility. A simple check can save you time and money. And that's it. Your problem should now be completely fixed. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Car Care Fix for more simple car repair tips and secret maintenance tricks. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.